I'm giving soccer mom no soccer. Okay, that's the nanny's business. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Hairvivi. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. Now, before we get into this glueless, high quality install that does come for the pockets, but I got a coupon. Make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Hairvivi. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is a new color for me and from Hairvivi, I think. I've never seen this color from them. I'm a little iffy about it though because it does blend in with my skin tone really, really well. And I don't know if I like that. But let me go ahead and just style this wig up for me and see what she's looking like, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and cut my tag off. If you are not sure about this wig, do not cut your tag off because in order to return this wig, you need the tag on it, okay? It does come with the piano keys elastic band with the nape grip. It also has the adjustable straps in the back and the Cappuccino fake scalp that's already in my wig. You can pick the color of your fake scalp, so they have let's see, Cappuccino, honey, mocha, and they have a new one called Americana, which is like, you know, the darker skin tone. I'm not really sure why it's called Americana, you know, I ain't come from here, but you know, whatever, but we gonna press. I did loosen the band a little bit because it was pretty tight. I'm hoping I can rock this unit glueless, but we will see when I cut the lace off. Normally when I rock these wigs, my ear tabs are a little flappy. They be kind of popping up in the wind. Let me do an up style today. Wait, I got hair. Where is the hair at? I can't see what I'm doing, so I need to put my glasses on. Cut across the front, right up to that hairline. If y'all hear my my guy outside, he cut my grass, so excuse the noise. It's blending in a little bit more than I would like. Yeah, I gotta kind of work with that a little bit. Put my glasses over my sides and see. I gotta try to, I don't know, I don't want to say liven it up. It's just, it's very different. So, and I wasn't really expecting it to be like this. Hairvivi normally trick me because even though I know their wigs are more so silky and not really texturized, they just look texturized on their site and they look a lot fuller and the color can look a little different. So Hairvivi, I need you to take more realistic pictures. Like, it's not given what I'm seeing on the site. That's just how I feel, but we still gonna work it out. So I'm using my Nairobi mousse around my hairline so I can give me my little glueless look. I don't think I need to spray this wig down, so I'm gonna use my mousse to just mold it around my hairline because the melt of this wig is pretty much top tier. I do need to kind of brush the hairs in the direction that I want it to go. Right now it's kind of sitting out. I was initially gonna wear a side part, but I think I wanna do a middle. We're gonna see how that works out. Man, he is right up by my window. Hairvivi does not have a band, so I need to use my own, but I do have them linked down below, so if you guys wanna check them out for yourself, you can do that. The unit does come with a left side part, but y'all know I'm a right side girl, okay? Right side is the right side. But like I said, I'm gonna do a center part for this wig, I believe. It comes with a 13x6 parting space, so you know, that's cute. It does have some short pieces here on the top. That's like a Hairvivi staple. All my Hairvivi wigs have these short pieces on the top. Use my Tymo to straighten the top out because it's very humpy. Do this side. And if you don't like this color, it does come in a natural color, so don't worry about that, sweetheart. It does come with some curls, but they're pretty much ruined from, you know, the shipping or whatever. So I'm just gonna curl it up again. It does handle heat really well, which is not rare for Hairvivi anyway. Their hair normally curls and straightens really good. I may only do curls in the front. I just had an idea as I was straightening this side. I think I wanna do like a swoop. I think that's what I wanna do, but I'm gonna straighten this side first, just so I can make sure that's what I want. Ooh, my stomach is growling, but it's early, so I can't eat yet on my intermittent fasting. I think my guy's done. Yep. Like I said, I'm gonna do a side part because the middle is not really giving me what I want. Use my wax stick on the top. I can straighten this all out. I'm gonna use my blow dryer on high heat to kind of press the rest of this down. Push that back. Take my cheap little curler here. I'm just gonna bump my ends a little bit. I may need to cut that one. It seems a little long. Put a little bumpity bump on the ends. This was not supposed to be a sleek look, but that is what we are given today. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then we'll come back, unwrap it, and see what styling we come up with, because I'm not really sure what I wanna do just yet with the end result. So, okay, before I take off my band, I'm gonna use my knot eraser, and I'm gonna put some concealer right here in my parting space, because it's a little, like it's not blending the way that I want. I'm gonna use this middle color right here. We'll see if that blends how I want. I think it's blending in too much. So I'm gonna take this middle color right here. I'm gonna blend that on top. Let's see if that does anything. A little bit. It's really tricky when you gotta blend in the lace like that. So I'm gonna leave it how that is. We're gonna see what happens when I take this off. Ooh, it's on the back of my daggone nape. Let's brush that back. Hold on, let me get my side correct. Okay, is that how I want it? I think so. A little contour around my hairline, just kind of break up that color a little bit. Put a wax stick right here. Get those flyaways out of my face, out of my face, out of my face. I normally wouldn't swoop, but I need something right here to kind of break this up. I think I want to pin this behind my ear, so let me just kind of swoop it back. Now I could bring it back. Let me see if it'll work. Okay, I need to raise this little part here in the front. I don't want it to be flat. Kind of lift that up a little bit. The swoop will always save a wig. Get some bumps in the back. Bumps in the back. Bumps in the back. You know I like my bumps in the back. I still don't got no sense. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. I changed out my glasses a couple times today because this color is just, it's throwing me off. I need to break up my face, so. But this is how we're looking, y'all. I think the end result is very pretty. However, I don't feel like this color is for me. I thought it was a lot darker than what it was, especially with how it's looking on the site. This is how it's looking on the site, and like I said, I expected something like this. So either darker or maybe some more highlights to kind of break up the color a little bit. Maybe I'm just seeing things, I don't know. You can definitely try out the natural color for this wig. They do have that. As y'all know, or maybe you don't, Hairvivi does come with the high quality units, and they come with that high quality price. So if this one doesn't fit your budget, it's cool. I didn't get no shedding or tangling with this unit. The hair quality feels good, even though it's silky. Okay, y'all know I like texture, but if you like silky hair, Hairvivi is the one for you. They are the staple for the silky, high quality hair. Okay, I said it, there it is. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this look. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this one. I swear, a swoop will save any wig. I'm giving soccer mom no soccer. Okay, that's the nanny's business. And I don't need a daddy papa because daddy Warbucks, okay? He already got the coins, okay? So he already got this all together. But if you need daddy papa, you go ahead and call him up, okay? But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Hairvivi for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell to not miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.